What's up everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to do Wolf from Kipo and the Edge of Wonderbeasts. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. I'm gonna start with drawing the headpiece, so I'm gonna draw a curved line to the left and then turn it to the side and up. And at this corner I'm gonna draw upwards, and I'm gonna make a sharp turn to the left with a curved line down to the side of her face. And I'm gonna draw a mirror of the same set of shape on the right side right here, and I'm gonna draw from that point a curved line out and down, and then I'm gonna make a strand of hair coming out with a curved line and a sharp turn back in, and then I'm gonna draw a curved line to the side and down, and we're gonna draw a series of curved line across for her hair, and another strand coming out from that corner right there, and I'm just gonna continue it around the right side of her face, and a strand of hair with a curved line coming out and a sharp turn back in and back right there. And we're gonna do a similar shape on the left side. The way to the back and below the head right there. Now going back to her headpiece, for the nose I'm gonna draw an upside down triangle at this corner, in the center, and at the side I'm gonna draw a diagonal line up and out, and then back to the side and down and towards the center and down and back with a curved line to the side of the hair. And at this portion right here I'm gonna draw a tilted square shape right there, and we're gonna do the same shape on the left side as well. Now on the top section, I'm gonna draw across a curved line in the middle, and at the side right here for the base of the ear, and I'm gonna leave a gap right there and continue the curved line across, and at the gap I'm gonna draw a zigzag line across the base of the ear, and I'm gonna draw a curved line upwards from this corner to the tip of the ear, and I'm gonna make a turn to the center, off center right there, and I'm gonna trace the same shape inside the ear. And on top at the tip right here I'm gonna draw a curved line down and make a sharp turn back up, and I'm gonna fill that in with black color. And at the side of the ear I'm gonna draw a line right there and another line right there, and I'm gonna fill this in with black color for the tip of the ear. Now we're gonna do the same thing on the right side ear. And below the ear, I'm gonna draw a curved line and continue that across below the hair and stop right there. And we're gonna do the same thing on the right side as well. Now for her face, I'm gonna draw a fang on each side of the mouth of the headpiece right there. And the side of the fang, I'm gonna draw a curved line across the face on the side, and a strand of hair coming out from this corner, and we're gonna continue that to the side of the face right there. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side, but at this point right here, I'm gonna draw a circular shape for the lower side of her face. And below the head, I'm gonna draw a line right there on both sides. Now for her eyes, I'm gonna take a point off center right here and draw a curved line down, and then I'm gonna turn it sideways, and I'm gonna thicken the line right there and up. And at the inner corner, I'm gonna draw a line down, and then I'm gonna turn it diagonally downwards to the center of the eye and back up to the outer corner. And I'm gonna draw a circle for her pupil right there, and I'm gonna add a rectangular shape on the left corner of the eye right there, and a black circle in the center. I'm gonna copy the same shape of the eye on the right side right here. And then for her nose, I'm gonna add a curved line at the side right there, and another one on the right side. Now for her mouth, I'm gonna draw a curved line from the corner on the left here to the right, and then I'm gonna add another curved line for the lower side of the lips, and another one on top right there. Now below the head, I'm gonna draw across two curved lines, and from the side of the hair, I'm gonna draw a curved line towards that shape in the center, and another one on the outer point right there, and same goes to the right side as well. And on both sides of the curved line in the center, I'm gonna draw a line down with the curved line, and a curved line upside down below that. And at the outer corner, I'm gonna draw a curved line diagonally out and turn it downwards. And I'm gonna do the same thing at this portion right here, and we're gonna add a line across at the bottom point there, and turn it up and back down with a sharp turn and across, and repeat that shape across again. And slightly above, I'm gonna add a line across, and I'm gonna copy the same shape on the right side right there. Now at the side right here, I'm going to draw a curved line and then another curved line up to the shoulder and down, and I'm going to extend it to the sleeve and turn it downwards and back up right there, and then I'm going to make a turn down to the side of the shirt and across for the bottom part of the shirt and going back up, and I'm just gonna copy the same shape on this side as well. Now for her pants, I'm gonna draw a line below the shirt down, and around the knee I'm gonna make a curve line out and back in, and then I'm gonna continue the line down, and where the fold is I'm gonna draw a curved line across and go back up with a similar shape to the center of the pants, and I'm gonna draw across a curved line in the middle. And for the lower point of the pants, I'm going to draw a curved line on the side and another one below that, and the same goes to the inner side of the pants and a curved line below that across. And I'm going to copy the same shape on the right side here. And for her foot, I'm gonna draw a line down below the pants and another one for the inner line, and I'm gonna draw a diagonal turn to the front, and we're gonna add a semicircular turn from the tip of the foot, and another line for the next finger, and we're gonna repeat that across. And then I'm at this point right here, I'm gonna take it back to the heels and turn it upwards to the ankle. So I'm gonna copy the same shape on the right side as well. Now for her right arms, I'm gonna draw a line diagonally out from the sleeve and turn it back to the center, and the same goes to the outer line right there. And I'm gonna draw a curved line down at this point and out for the finger, and a semicircular turn back in, and then turn it back up, and I copy that shape again for the other fingers. And around the wrist I'm gonna add a curved line across and another one above that. And at this point right here, I'm gonna draw a circular shape and a curved line out from the side and back to the center of the circle, and a short line at that point right there. And at the side I'm gonna add a similar set of shape. Now going back to the left arm, I'm gonna draw it outwards and flare it out below the elbow and back in towards the wrist. And at this point right here, I'm gonna draw her thumb with a curved line on top, and then line downwards on both sides with a semicircle turned back at the tip. And then for the other finger, a line across for the top and another one right there. And I'm gonna make a semicircle turn right there, And we're gonna copy the same shape across below for the other finger. And I'm gonna draw her stick. So from this point, I'm gonna draw a line upwards and another line for the inner part of the stick. And we'll continue down all the way to somewhere next to her foot. Right there. And the same goes to the outer line of the stick. And across with a curved line at the bottom point right there. And for the top of the stick, we're gonna draw an even line with a circle shape across and leave the top part with a gap for the time being. And I'm gonna add a few lumps at the side across this shape like that. And on the top, we're gonna add a curve line up on both sides, and then I'm gonna turn it outwards and down, and then I'm gonna make a sharp turn back in and join it to that point right there. And inside of the shape, I'm gonna draw a few bumps like that and some curved lines around there and some lines coming out of the sides all around the ball. It looks like a hair coming out like that. And going back to her the piece of cloth behind her back, so I'm gonna draw from the sleeve here a line down and around the above the knee. I'm gonna make a sharp turn back up and back down and back up all the way to the sleeves. And we're gonna do the same thing on the right side right here. And at the lower section, I'm gonna draw a zigzag line across behind her. And we're gonna add some curved line around her outfit. And at the side of the face right there. And a curved line from the center of the tie here to the sleeve right there. And the same goes to the right side as well. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.